Hello, I'm Erin Courtney and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my kitchen. March of 2015, my best friend in the whole world, my female life partner, 34 years old, 8 months pregnant, had a stroke. No, I am not kidding. It was a nightmare for all parties involved. Well, she was in the hospital for a week and she had to come home and take care of her 3-year-old daughter on top of giving birth to a newborn baby with having the stroke. So I went into psycho mode. I made about 3 months worth of freezer meals for her. We're talking soups and casseroles and side dishes and pancakes and cookies and just tons and tons of stuff. So all of that was like an epiphany. I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with all of the culinary experience that I had gotten with being in school and working as a pastry chef. This was it. So I went out on my own, started making freezer meals and desserts for busy families. Hello, that's what I am. I have 2 little kids. I don't have time to cook every single night. That's just insanity. Who has time to do that? Not me. Expect from me in my kitchen, other than randomness, because I'm really random, and sarcasm. There's always going to be some sarcasm. Food all of the time. So I'm going to be showing you how to make freezer meals, meal planning, meal preparation. I'm going to give you tips and advice and show you how to package stuff and how menu ideas. It's going to be insane. Like me. And you might be wondering, who can make these meals? You can. You can. If I can make them, you can make them. I did not know how to cook growing up. So here's how you can get involved. Subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get email notifications every time I post a new video, because it's going to be on a weekly basis. I'm not going to claim to know everything because I really just don't. So if you have any questions involving meal planning or any of these freezer meals or recipes, anything, ask. Pop them in the comments. If you have any recipe suggestions, things that you would like to see prepared as a freezer meal, or if it could be prepared as a freezer meal, please ask. Pop it in the comments. So welcome to my kitchen, and I'll see you on the tube.